back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can hide your Tinder account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this action to take place, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app. So once you open your Tinder app, you will end up in this kind of interface, which is your profile. So to simply hide your account, all you need to do is simply tap on the gear-like icon on the right hand side of the corner, which is your settings. So once you do this, you need to scroll down below, and once you scroll down, you will find the called enable discovery. So if you are going to turn that toggle on the left hand side, then you will go in your hidden state once you tap on disable discovery. So now this will allow you to be hidden or make your profile hidden on Tinder. However, people who have already liked may still see you and match with you. So by following this way, you can simply hide your Tinder accounts from others. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.